You're about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online. Just follow the steps from this tutorial, and on this website, you will be paid $10 for every few minutes of work that is completed. But there is a catch. This won't be worth the time if it means not following what is said in full detail and without skipping any steps or pausing midway through just because something else popped into your feed on Facebook or YouTube. Just turn off your notifications and don't let it distract you. And before we begin, make sure to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button with notifications on, and you will be notified whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. You can be one of the first to use it, and that way, of course, make the most money. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Okay, now type Capterra. Type that into the search bar near the top right corner, and then wait patiently until all of these glorious reviews pop up. And I have to be honest, I've never been much of a computer girl myself. I've never been much of a tech girl, but when my friend told me about this website where you can get paid $10 for reviewing software and programs that are online right now, it seemed like too good for an opportunity not to give it a shot. So here's how the process actually works. You're granted access as soon as possible after registering with your email address, so all you need is an internet connection, and it's absolutely free to sign up. Once inside each category, there will be hundreds of different software products available which you can review. These said products range from productivity apps such as word processors or video editing software to gaming platforms and even high-definition movie players because hey, why limit yourself? The best part though has got to be the fact that every time someone leaves a review, you will get paid. The best way to make money is by downloading and reviewing those software. You can browse over 700 different software categories from design tools to photo editing programs for mobile devices and a lot more between each type. You have hundreds of options. So there are many great choices waiting for you on this website, which is Capterra.com. And with that being said, the work isn't always easy. It obviously takes time and patience to find what works well with your needs. Before uploading an honest review, describing its pros and cons in detail, all this effort pays off though when it brings in $10 per product reviewed, because at that point, all those hours spent browsing through new updates starts paying dividends as more cash comes rolling into your bank account, every day like clockwork. I'm going to show you how this quick and easy trick will allow you to make money online in less than 2 minutes. We'll have made over $10 again without actually buying the software ourselves. So don't worry, you will not have to invest any money into the software. You will not have to purchase anything. As you can see, they have over 1 million reviews. Over 1 million reviews, and doing the math makes it clear that millions of people are making a lot of money with Capterra.com. Now I know why some sellers pay $10 per review. If you want to expand your business, then feedback is vital for building social proof, which means even more profits for them. So that's why they are willing to pay you $10 for writing a simple review. They value that, and they know that they will see a massive return on that investment. It's an excellent return for them, and that's why they will be paying you $10 for less than 2 minutes of work, or less than 120 seconds of absolutely free work. The first step is to click here where it says write a review, and this takes you over to the next page, which has thousands of different products with reviews from other people who have tried these products beforehand. So there are plenty more options out there just waiting for you. All you need to do now is search through the company names or product names in order to make your decision as easy as possible. If you guys are enjoying the video, by the way, don't forget to click the like button down below, as we are trying to get 1,500 likes in this video, so just do your part and tap the like button down below. Anyways, let's carry on. As I said, when someone wants to buy software or a digital product, they will most likely go online and search for reviews of the item before shelling out their hard-earned money. If other buyers have given it good ratings, then they will be way more likely to download that piece of digital software or to buy that software as long as the review is credible, and that is why Capterra.com will pay you. Now, if you go to Browse Categories, you're going to be able to see thousands and thousands of different software, all business-related or customer service-oriented. For example, it'll just take a few minutes from your day, but each review earns you real money. So it pays off in the end. So go back to Google and search for that software that you found on Capterra.com. Find a review about the software, You can find all the different reviews online from which you can have an idea. You can get an idea from all of those different reviews which you can find on Google for free. So we can open up this link right here because I see how other people are doing in their studies. As soon as I go inside, I'm going to be able to read about what they had written about the products so we could know more information before buying anything. So for example, look at this one successful review here. Someone is explaining everything thoroughly with insights into why or why not something should be purchased by themselves. The gentle way of learning about it is the best. You don't have to buy expensive software so you can review their products for them. All you need are those reviews that are already available online for free. I'll show you an example in a minute, but first, some more information makes this a great idea. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. I was initially skeptical when I saw that they're willing to pay me for doing this. But rather than that, seeing all these people get their fair share from it, I knew there must be something in this idea which is worth looking into further. And after poking around online myself, I found out how easy everything is, and it is laid out here with Capterra's website. So now I'm going to show you what happens next. Click on the Write a Review link right here, and that's going to take you over to the webpage where different products are laid out for review. It just so happens that I want to do myself a review for this product right here. But in order to get there, we need to get access first. To register for the software, you need to enter your name and last name and email address. From there, it will ask you for some additional information and they will ask you for some different questions about how often you use the products such as daily or weekly, etc. It would be best if you use the software daily to avoid complications with your review. So that's a really important tip. Make sure you're setting up for daily usage. Therefore, I would recommend creating an account and using it every day until you're satisfied with submitting your thoughts for feedback. The first two steps, which are signing up or logging in, are easy enough. But now we need to do more than just complete 3 simple tasks. Before finishing our reviews, we must also make sure that this piece of technology meets all our needs as well. You can finally give your opinion on the software you've tried for the first time. When inputting a review, focus on what it was like and write about how well it works for you. So in various features of computer games or apps, they're not just typical ones. This one was about 5 out of 5, and trust me, the better the review, the more positive reviews, they're less likely to accept people that always leave a single star rating for everything, so it's best not to do that. So always leave positive feedback on the website. For this, we'll put in 5 stars in all of the sections, even with these optional ones right here. And you could also write other features if you want. So the more reviews to complete, the better your chances of getting paid for. You can make money by reviewing if the software is expensive and answering how likely you would recommend it to your friends and colleagues and so on. But this is also optional. Then again, the more reviews you complete, the better your chances of getting paid. The more money you'll be able to make. So just make sure to combine Capterra.com and Google search in order to make money per review that you submit. Once again, remember each of those reviews will pay you $10. So doing 10 reviews, that's $100. 100 reviews, that's $1,000, and so on and so forth. And you can basically do it for unlimited times, as there are literally thousands upon thousands of different software which you can review, even if you've never bought them yourself. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button with notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online so you can be one of the first to use it. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.